Hi, I'm Natalie with Eminence Organic Skin Care and welcome back to In the Mix. Well, today is all about how do we even tell if our skin is dehydrated. So some of you out there may know a couple of little tricks, but first let's take a look at and hear what is dehydrated skin. So when we really think about skin as a whole, it's made up with a lot of water, and the reason being is that our cells are very water-based in our skin. And the fact is that 64% of your skin is water, so that's what studies are showing us. So when that starts to deplete, it's because usually of our environment or dietary choices, and that really reflects of how our skin looks like on the outside. So this can leave the skin feeling itchy and dry and looking a bit irritated. So we really need to make sure that we're replenishing and giving our skin a big drink of water. We may have heard of the pinch test. So what the pinch test really is that if you take the top of your hand and you just give it a little squish and then you wait for a few seconds and then you let go, is what you're doing is you're trying to see if there's evidence of a little hill left behind on your skin, and this will indicate to you that you probably need a little bit of water or you're doing just great. The bonus to this is that also this pinch test can actually help you know if your skin's got that snap back or that spring back into the skin, giving us the appearance of a stronger and firmer skin. So this is all about two things. You can check your dehydration, and you can also check to see where your level is in the aging levels of your skin. So my favorite way to do it is that you do the same thing. Is we're giving you a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little pinch, and now I'm going to check to see how fast it's going to go flat again, and that's just by letting it go. Oh, I guess I'm doing pretty good. It flattened back quite quickly, which lets me know that I've got probably good integrity left in my skin when it comes to the signs of aging. So some of my favorite products to combat dehydration, and also if you're looking at that snapback, is I've got 4 of my top favorites at the moment. One is, of course, our fabulous citrus and kale CNE serum. Very lightweight, under your moisturizer, gets the job done. Second, of course, you can't beat our strawberry hyaluronic serum. This is all about bringing in that hydration level into the skin. Then, of course, some of you already may have this as one of your favorites, which is our marine flower peptide serum. This just takes it up an extra level for those of you who are looking for that extra care. And then recently we did our beautiful Mangosteen Concentrate. This brings in an ingredient of lactic acid, which is all about promoting hydration. So I hope you really enjoy these fun things today, all about taking care of dehydrated skin and also being able to identify it. And what we'd like to do there is just leave you with that, and I want to say thank you so much for coming back and visiting us at In the Mix. I'm Natalie with Eminence Organic Skin Care, and if you'd like to see more of these videos, please click subscribe. And also beside the subscribe, if you don't want to miss any videos in the future, there's a little tiny bell. You might want to click on that too, which will notify you of the next videos coming. I'll see you next time. Have a great one.